And then there's that foam shield that I was talking about. Before you even use the toilet, it can release a layer of foam into the bowl, and the foam can reduce splashback, keep waste from sticking, and helps prevent odors from spreading. It's one of those features that kind of sounds ridiculous until you try it and realize how good it actually works. And the comfort is where this toilet really does shine. The X70 has a full bidet system with multiple wash modes: rear wash for everyday cleaning, a feminine wash for a gentler spray designed for more delicate care, child mode, which actually is really useful because a lot of smart toilets don't work well for kids if the seat sensors aren't triggered, and then a pulsating wash mode, which alternates water pressure and rhythmic pulses. This is perfect for those who prefer a little more strong of a wash. And everything is adjustable: the water pressure, the temperature, the spray position. And then you've also got a heated seat, a warm air dryer that you can adjust the speed and move the position, an automatic deodorizer, smart temperature control, and there's even a soft LED night light, so you're not blasting your eyes with bathroom lights at 3 a.m. And the seat is extra wide with ADA comfort height for better ergonomics.